Hello, this is an explanation video for Tuesday, November 23rd. I'm going to scroll down to Unit 3 and click on Module 10. Here we go, Module 10. Click on Day 2, November 23rd. Come to the Sync folder. Here we have some Thanksgiving games that we will play. Also, we have a pre-writing activity. Okay, so in this activity, you have a topic, in-person learning in Carlos Rosario. That is your topic. You need to write a general problem with 4 supporting details. Okay, so this is a pre-writing activity where you just organize your ideas. So just think of what is the general problem with this topic, general problem with this topic, and 4 supporting details to support your problem. And you're going to write them on one of these styles of pre-writing. You can decide which one you want to use. So if you pick this one, for example, you will take a piece of paper and make it look like this. And then you will fill in the information with your general problem, and then the 4 details you've chosen to support your idea. Or if you use this one, make your paper look like this, and then fill in the information. So these are just different options you could use when you do pre-writing. And then we will look at what everybody has and compare. Also, we will review our answers from the test on Mel today. Okay, let's look at our async work. Okay, so the first is a sequencing activity. So you open this document, and so you're going to read this paragraph. It describes the different steps you take when you log into the laptop. These are the words you should look for. Those are the verbs to help you identify the steps. Then you will make a list of steps. So below, the first step, open the laptop carefully. Then you fill in the rest of the steps. Step 2, step 3, step 4, and on until you get to the end. And when you are finished, you want to make sure to press submit. Also for async, we have a Mel My English Lab activity. So log into Mel, click on this link, and it takes you to the sign-in page. Then you want to choose the activities that look like this. Unit 4, Grammar Coach, Reason, Purpose, Reason, and Contrast. And then this one is Purpose, Reason, and Contrast 1, Purpose, Reason, and Contrast 2. So those are 3 assignments for today in Mel. This is your Spark article for this weekend. The other first Thanksgiving. You click here and you can sign into Spark. And then async. This is the last one. This is a compare and contrast activity. First, you have to read the article in Spark. It's based on the information from Spark. Okay, so it's based on the article and about how Thanksgiving was celebrated in the article and how modern families celebrate Thanksgiving. You will either compare or contrast these 2 things. You'll write a short paragraph where you compare or contrast these 2 Thanksgivings. If you want to compare, you can use some of these words. If you want to contrast, you can use some of these words. Okay? So make sure you use either compare or contrast grammar for your paragraph. That is the final activity for today, Tuesday, November 23rd. Thank you so much for listening, and best of luck.